Hey, what's up guys? Bobby Kennedy here for the All-in-One Profits Rotator Club. I just want to make a quick video and show you what you need to do day one when you join All-in-One Profits. Okay, the first steps you need to take to get set up with All-in-One Profits and to get set up with our team, the Rotator Club. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. When you click somebody's link, it's going to take you to this page. This is the front page for All-in-One Profits. Okay, you see across the top, you see a join button. Okay, when you're ready to join, you click that button, and you notice here on the top of the page it says your sponsor is, right? That's my name there. Make sure there's a name here, guys. Okay? Sometimes there's a username here, but there's no name here. Okay, so make sure there's a name there. If not, you need to go back to the person that gave you the link, and something's wrong. Make sure they give you the right link, or they fix the link, or whatever. Okay, now then you're going to fill out this form here. Very simple stuff, your name, username, your address, right? You make a password. You got to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you read this. It says important, you know. Everything you need to know is here, guys. Make sure you understand it before you join, okay? And then when you're all set up, you click Join All-in-One Profits. It's going to take you to the back office. Okay, I'm on my products page here. The next thing it's going to ask you is how you want to pay. There's a few different ways to pay. Okay, you can pay with Payzer or Payoneer. I think Solid Trust Pay is in there too. Okay, you can also pay by credit card. I use mobile pay to pay, and I withdraw to Payzer. I like Payzer. It's a good trusted wallet. We have a link for it in our website, AIOP Rotator Club. If you don't have a Payzer account and you want to join through that link, and then bring your username back and paste it in there, and you can become an affiliate also for Payzer. Okay, so that's how I pay. I pay with credit card, with mobile pay, and I withdraw to Payzer. Okay, then it's going to ask you whether you want to be basic or pro. If you go to the products page, on the toolbox on the bottom, press products, it takes you to this page, shows you the difference between the basic level and the pro level. Okay, it lays it all out. It's a personal decision. You don't have to be a pro. You can be a basic member and be on our team. Okay, but this just shows you the difference. It's for your information, so you know the difference. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to go to Members Home. There's a tab here that says Your Details. I'm not going to click it because it has my personal information in there. You're going to put your address. You're going to put your email for your e-wallet, all that kind of stuff. Okay, you decide how you want to pay and how you want to get paid, your address, all of that is done in there. Very quick, couple of minutes to set that up. Then the next thing you want to do is come over to referrals, and you'll see promote. Right on top of the page, all you want to be concerned about right now is this first link. This is your link to promote for All-in-One Profits. Okay, you want to copy that link, go back to the toolbox, go to the rotator. On the bottom, you're going to see Add URL. Paste your link right here, press Add URL, and you just added yourself to the rotator. Okay, the way it works now is all the emails that we use, everything like that, is linked to your rotator in your back office. Okay, so when you get a direct referral, you're going to add them to your rotator, and when you join, you're going to contact your sponsor, and they should contact you also, but you're going to contact your sponsor. You're going to send them your name, your link, and your username, and ask them to add you to their rotator. And every time you get a direct referral, you're going to contact them and ask them for their name, URL, and username, and you add them to your rotator. Okay, guys, that's how this works. But anyway, get familiar with the site. Look around, get familiar with the products. Okay, they have hosting that's included. You get a lot of value in All-in-One Profits, man. There's not too many companies out there that give you so much value for the low cost of membership. Okay, guys, so you get a lot of value. You get a 6-year track record, paying on time, and you get our help in the Rotator Club and our tools and our branding pages and everything like that. All right, so I'll see you inside, guys. And don't forget to join the Facebook group, guys. That's our headquarters, man. That's where we talk shop. All right, so I'll see you inside. I'll see you in the Facebook group. Thanks, guys.